guys, how you doing? No video today. Well, kind of got this video, so let's do a video, but you're not going to get your usual video. You know, this has never been a daily upload channel. So, you know, some days you're going to get more than one video. Other days you might not get any videos. I mean, if you look back, there's probably quite a lot of videos. I've been uploading every day for like God knows how long. But, you know, don't expect it out of me because it's not a daily upload channel. It's a channel that's supposed to be fun for me, and hopefully I can sort of give entertainment for you guys. But I don't want this thing to feel like there's any pressure on me where I'm pressurised to get videos out. Because I do notice in the comments sometimes if I don't put a video out, people say, "Oh, where's today's video?" Well, you know, you're not going to get one every single day. So pretty much this is just a video to sort of say that is what's going on. So recently I've been making two new courses. I've been making an RC basher course. People sort of got a little bit confused, thinking I'm building like an RC racetrack. It's not a course. It's a course. It's like a school. Well, I teach you guys exactly everything I know about doing RC carring, and I'm going to tell you a lot more about that as the time comes closer. I've been really busy working on that. I'm working hours and hours and hours on this thing. There's really a lot of work's gone into this, and it's probably another couple of weeks away, I reckon. It's got all tips in there: how to drive, how to repair, how to build your car stronger, how to maintain the cars. Everything that I've learned in RC cars in sort of the last 17 years that I've been doing the hobby, everything is going to be in this course. So also I've been making another eBay course, and this is a mini course, and this course is going to be free, 100% free off a charge. And you guys might be thinking, well, why am I going to make a free eBay course? You know, as a lot of you guys already know, I sell a paid for eBay course because I made like 100 grand a year on eBay. A lot of people keep asking me, what do I do as a living? What do I do to pay for all these toys? What do I do so I don't have to go to work every day? So I thought, well, I'll make a course. I'll teach other people how to do it. But some people just can't afford the price of the course. And, you know, they can't justify spending that sort of money onto something, and they're not fully sure if it's for them or not. So what I thought I would do, I'll make a free course, and it's just a mini version. And the idea of this course is just to get you to get an eBay account, sign yourself up on there, and just start selling some stuff that you got laying around the house. Maybe get a few things imported from China and selling it on there. You know, just to get the ball rolling and get you guys familiar with the platform, and just to see if it's something that you want to do or something that you not want to do. So you guys are probably thinking, well, why am I doing it? Well, obviously, the more you guys that I help out, the more you guys are going to be, hopefully, you're going to buy my full course. So, you know, it's going to benefit us all. You know, people that want my full course, obviously it benefits me because I sell more courses. And the more courses that I sell, the more of you guys are going to benefit, because you guys can hopefully, you know, the idea is that you guys can quit your job out of this and build yourselves a better future. So we're all winners. It's like a win-win scenario for us all. So, you know, the free course is a little bit of effort got in for me, you know. I know most of you guys that are going to go on the free course are not going to buy the full course, but that's fine by me. You know, if I can help some of you guys out, then that's good. You know, if I can help one person quit your job and go about building yourself a better future, then the course was worth making. And, you know, if it leads to me selling more of my full course, then as I said, guys, we're all a winner. So that's pretty much what I've been doing these days, guys. I've probably got another couple of weeks until I get all this stuff ready. And so in that time frame, you can expect me to be a little bit lighter on the videos. I'm still going to be uploading videos. I'm still going to be making videos for YouTube, but it's going to be slightly less. So if you're going to get a few days or like the odd day where there's no video, don't be like, oh, where's the video? So, you know, that's pretty much what's going on. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. As soon as that free eBay course is done, I will make a video, and I'm going to put a link to that. So as many, you know, there's no limit how many of you guys can sign up, and it's completely 100% utterly free, and it's designed just to get you guys to actually make some money from a complete newbie point of view. So, all right, guys, see you soon. Bye.